We have a complex number here. We're trying to divide or simplify. Let's go over it. This is 2 over 2 minus 8i, and the way to simplify this is to multiply up and down by the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so in other words, we can divide these complex numbers and multiply both sides by the conjugate, and the conjugate of 2 minus 8i is 2 plus 8i. So that's what we call conjugate. So let's multiply up and down by 2 plus 8i. When we multiply, we go straight forward, so we're gonna multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. This would be 2 times 2 plus 8i. Now the denominator is nothing but a minus b times a plus b, and that's what we call the difference of two squares. This is a squared minus b squared. So let's apply this to a squared would be 4 minus b squared would be 64i squared. Okay, 64i squared. Remember, I squared is equal to -1. Okay, let's keep going now. This is gonna be equal to 2 times 2, 4, plus 2 times 8, 16i. That's the numerator. I just distributed the 2. Denominator is 4 minus 64, and I squared is -1. Again, the numerator is 4 plus 16i. The denominator would be 4 plus 64, because a negative times a negative is positive. Let's keep going. We have, I'm going to take a 4 common factor in the numerator, so I get 1 plus 4i. In the denominator, I'm going to also add, which would be 68. And let's see, is 68 divisible by 4? Yes, it is. So 4 by 4 is 1, and 68 by 4 is 1, 28 by 4 is 7. So the final answer would be 1 over 17 plus 4 over 17i. So remember, we always have to write the complex number in the form of a plus bi. Okay, so a is 1 over 17 and b is 4 over 17. Okay, good luck.